The ultra-lightweight DC24 Animal is Dyson's smallest upright vacuum. It has ball technology instead of four wheels like conventional machines. A ball pivots on the spot, so it turns corners easily. With root cyclone technology, it has the same cleaning performance as a full-size Dyson vacuum, with no loss of suction. And there's a lifetime washable HEPA filter to capture allergens. The cleaner head self-levels, maintaining contact on all surfaces and focusing suction. With the touch of a button, the brush bar can be turned off or on. DC24 Animal also comes with a mini turbine head. The reversible wand is light and easy to assemble. Just attach the combination tool to clean stairs and high places. And when you've finished, the bin empties hygienically with the push of a button. DC24 Animal weighs just 11.6 pounds, and the handle compresses, so it's easy to store in small spaces. Dyson vacuums are engineered to last and are covered by a 5-year parts and labour warranty with a US-based Dyson Customer Support Centre.